How to fix can't find Gemini button in Chrome. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Google Chrome and then tap on the three dot. Scroll down to settings, then simply tap onto it. Insert your scroll below, then tap on About Chrome. And now here Chrome will automatically check for updates. Make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. If any update is available, wait for it to finish downloading and installing. After the update is completed, relaunch or restart Chrome. And just like that, you want to go ahead and simply check if the Ask Gemini button is available or not. If it's still missing, that option may be turned off. Simply look for the option that says AI Innovation or Gemini in Chrome settings. Keep in mind that these options may not be available for all users or reason yet. If you see Gemini settings, you simply want to go ahead and open and turn on the option to show Gemini in Chrome. After enabling it, the Ask Gemini button will be available in your browser. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.